Hello, hi, it's Liz here and I'm back with week 38 of Roxy's weekly challenge. It's part 2 of the large ephemera holder. So last week we turned this kiddies book, which is the adventures of Tom Kitten and his friends. You'll remember I took a few pages out of each signature, each section, and I have more or less got all my tickets in so far. I decided to do 4 smaller ones instead of the 2 larger ones on some of the pages. So I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. I've got a few tickets left to do and then that'll be all the tickets. It seemed so much more in the little takeaway box than when you see them all in, but this is so much better, so much better. So I think what I'll probably do is leave a few pages for some more tickets, because no doubt there will be more tickets in my future, and maybe use the next section for small ephemera and maybe some more bits and bobs like that, maybe my Tim Holtz dolls or some stuff, some smaller bits, because there's quite a lot of the book left and it's still quite thin. Anyway, today we're here to do the cover, or to finish off the cover. I covered it in scrapbook paper, the front and the back, and added this upholstery fabric. I hope you can see because I had to move the camera holders right. I don't have one of these fancy ones that you can adjust. It's just a bendy arm and it takes a bit of strength to bend it a wee bit higher. So I hope you can see. Anyway, I've gathered some bits for the cover. So let me show you what my thoughts are. First of all, I've stamped out a heading. Let me just reach over here. I stamped out using some black ink and these alpha stamps, these little wooden mounted stamps, and I just did the word tickets, and I'm going to put that on this little piece of dish towel, tea towel, whatever you call it in your part of the world, and then I have this nice crocheted doily that I think it would sit nicely on, and I have this piece of, I think this was from a blouse, and I was thinking maybe just a little bit down the bottom there onto the back. And then this is a piece of sari silk from a huge big roll that I got, all different colours and things, and I thought that might be quite nice just on the top of that there. Then I've got this, of course you can't have a book about tickets without some tickets on the cover, so I've picked out some blue tickets to match the blue on the tea towel. So I thought we could have that there and maybe layer it up with one with a typewriter on it, and maybe just another one there, or maybe the other way around because it doesn't really show up. That one kind of blends in a wee bit, but I do like this one here, so maybe we just won't care about that blending in. So that's sort of the plan. I want to do a little bit of machine stitching though. I want to stitch that onto that bit of header. So I'm going to go to the machine and do that. And then I maybe want to just do some zigzags. And if I do that and that, there'll still be room here. If I decide to put more ephemera in the book, I can put another heading because there'll be space here for another, like, small bits or small ephemera or whatever I decide to put in. I also have this, which is from a dictionary, and I looked up the word ticket, and it's, I don't know if you can see that, see, it says ticket, and it's got a card or paper securing admission, blah 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 blah, and it tells you what a ticket is. And I thought maybe I could find a wee corner for the dictionary definition of ticket, so I think we'll just carefully do that just now so that I know. I was wondering what was underneath. It's tickle. Ticket, then tickle. Tickle. Stroke lightly so as to excite the nerves. There's a sentence I thought I would never say on a video. Okay, there should be, there it's there. But there should be a little bit left over. So we've got a ticket. And we might just find a wee corner somewhere. What do you think? I think that might be quite cute up there. Right, okay, so the bits I want to sew are this bit onto there. Let's just get this to the correct size. Yeah. So that bit onto there, and then just a little, maybe just a little zigzag here, maybe just to underline tickets. So I'll be back. Okay, that worked out okay, and we are good to go with the glue. So let me think. We definitely want that up there. So I've got my little glue stick, and I've got my 3-in-1. So we'll just, that's easy just to put that up there. Got to lift it to see if it's in the right spot. Right, let's move that out the way just now. Okay, the next thing we want to do is put that onto there. So we'll use this. Let's see. I don't need it all stuck down. Just that middle section there. That's grand. Quite like the little bits of thread that the okay, let's now do this bit. So I'm on the lookout for a similar book for maybe the rest of the ephemera that's all in takeaway boxes in the drawer. And I think, because although there's still quite a lot of space in this book, I think I probably have enough to fill a second book. Although I might run out of vellum before before anything else. Although I have 3 packets of it, so from my card making days. Just tuck that under there. And I still want that tucked under a little bit. That's us. Yeah, nice little mixed collage. Okay. Yeah, liking this. Right, this piece now, which I sewed on to that, and I don't mind that not, oh, what's the word? You know, all of it not stuck down. I don't want it all stuck down. I still want it kind of, that bit kind of loose, and I don't need these bits stuck either. If I just go along, I think that edge, I think that will probably be enough. And if it's not, I can always go back and reinforce it with some more glue or do something to make it more substantially stuck. I don't know why this is doing this, because it's still half full. I have to say, I mean, I know it's really good glue and it sticks well and whatnot, but to actually, the actual act of using it, oh, really? I'm not impressed. Right, let's just, I want that on. So 2 bits on the front and 2 bits on the back. I need it just round a wee bit. That's us. And because that's sari silk, it's just really fine. It won't bumfle the, you know, the fact that that's on the back, and the book still sits pretty flat. But I think I'm going to have to stick wee bits of this down, because that would just annoy me flapping about. So here we go again with this nonsense. Oh, it's ready to go. So just a little dab on those chunky bits. Dab on your chunky bits. There's sentences that you just have to laugh at in your head. Those wee bits of thread coming off. And last one. Yeah. Right, let's have a final gander. I think we're okay. Yep. Right, yeah, happy with that. What do you think? We've got our little ticket from the dictionary, some actual, well, 4 tickets and a nice heading. And what I might do is I might leave a few pages for tickets and then put a, you know, a page tab. Sort of tickets, ephemera, small ephemera, you know, slightly bigger ephemera or something like that. And we can put another heading here. Yeah, happy with that. That'll sit quite nice on the shelf. And it's much better than what I had. These are just little ones that I've still to go in my little vellum bits that are, so there's not much still to be done. That's just kind of single ones of these that I'm going to have to do. I thought they'll get lost in there, so I'll just do like little strips for the little single ones that have been torn off the bigger strips. So yeah, good project done. Right, I'm off. Thanks for joining me. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.